Standard for Social Science, Term 2. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about Unit 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu. This is our state map. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. It is the 11th largest state in India. It shares boundaries with Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Indian Ocean on the south, Kerala on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. Tamil Nadu expands up to Kanyakumari, which forms the southernmost tip of India. It is the meeting point of Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. The Pulicat Lake is situated at the northern end of Tamil Nadu. Landscape of Tamil Nadu. The landscape of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely, first one mountain, second one plateaus, third one plains, fourth one coast. Now let us see about mountains. Tamil Nadu is the only state in India which has both the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. They meet at the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Tottapetta is the highest peak in Nilgiri Hills. Tamil Nadu has various hill stations like Ooty, Kodaikanal, Kolli Hills, Kotagiri and Yerkad. The Eastern Ghats do not get enough rainfall, unlike the Western Ghats, which receives lot of rainfall. The plantation grown in these Ghats include tea, coffee and spices. Tamil Nadu has rich flora and fauna. Muddumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park in Annaimalai are in the Western Ghats of the state. There are a variety of plant species found in them. The Kurunji scrub is the most special of them all. Kurunji flowers blossom once in 12 years. Friends, now let us see about plateaus. There are 3 plateaus in Tamil Nadu, namely Brahmahal Plateau, Coimbatore Plateau and Madurai Plateau. There are many small hills between these plateaus. Chinimalai is one among those hills in Erode. Now let us see about plains. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. River plains. Rivers Palaru, Cheyyaru, Pennaru and Vellaru form the northern plains. The middle river plain is formed by Kaveri and its tributaries. River Vaigai and Thambirabarani form the southern plains. River Cheyyaru is a tributary of river Palar. It is a seasonal river that flows through the district of Tiruvannamalai. Coastal plains. Coastal plains of Tamil Nadu are also called Cholamandalam plains, which extend from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Friends, now let us see about coast. Tamil Nadu has the third longest coastline in India. The coastal region extends from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Pamban Island forms a part of Ramanathapuram. It separates Gulf of Mannar and Palk Strait. 13 districts share the coastline. The notable beaches of Tamil Nadu are Marina Beach, the second largest urban beach in the world. Rameshwaram Beach is famous for its beautiful view. Kanyakumari Beach is famous for its beautiful views of sunrise and sunset over the water. Waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Waterfalls is an area where the river water flows down from a mountain. Tamil Nadu has several waterfalls. Some of them are Hokkanekkal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Suruli waterfalls, Vattaparai waterfalls. First one, Hokkanekkal waterfalls. It is located in Dharmaburi on the river Kaveri. It is known for bathing areas, boat rides and attracts many tourists all round the year. Kutralam waterfalls. It is located in Tenkasi. It is in the Western Ghats on the river Chittar. There are a total of 9 falls, of which Peraruvi, Aindaruvi and Puliaruvi are the most prominent. Suruli. Suruli waterfalls is located in Theni from a series of rock steps. Vattaparai. Vattaparai waterfalls is located in Kanyakumari. The falls is surrounded by forest on all sides. People are allowed to take a natural bath here. Climate of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is a very little difference between summer and winter. The temperature during summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter. Tamil Nadu is dependent on monsoon rains and often faces drought if monsoon fails. Seasons of Tamil Nadu. First one, winter season, January to February. Summer season, March to May. Southwest monsoon, June to September. Northeast monsoon, October to December. Forest. There are many types of forests across Tamil Nadu. Most of these forests are found in the area near the Ghats. These forests have so many types of trees. The topmost branches of the trees form a continuous chain such that little or no sunlight hits the ground. This is called canopy. The forests are divided based on the canopy cover. Evergreen forest. The word evergreen means ever plus green or always plus green is equal to always green. The trees in this forest have leaves that are always green. In Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forest in the Western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. Deciduous forest. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during the dry season. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower regions of the hill. Swamp or mangrove forest. The word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. These forests are usually found near the beaches and river beds. The Pichavaram mangrove forest is located near Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. This is the glossary. Now let us see the book exercise. Choose the correct answer. Which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Answer: Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second one, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri Hills. Third one, the topmost branches of trees form a chain called canopy. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experience tropical climate. Fifth one, dash are found in the places where there is a heavy rainfall. Evergreen forest. Now let us see the match the following. First one, mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu and Eastern Ghats. Second one, Surili waterfall, Theni. Third one, India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge. Fourth one, Pichavaram mangrove forest. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu coastline, third longest in India. True or false? First one, Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. True. Second one, Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Third one, Kurunji flowers blossom once in 2 years. False. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Fifth one, deciduous forests do not shed leaves. False. Friends, now let us see the question answers. First one, name the states that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. Second one, what are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? Third one, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? Fourth one, name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. Fifth one, describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. Sixth one, differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.